Hi there, students. By hook or by crook? This is an adverbial phrase or a prepositional phrase. It means by any means possible, in one way or another. Yeah, I will use any means possible to do this. I will do this by hook or by crook. So by fair means or foul, by any means necessary. This suggests that maybe I will do something illegal if that's the only way that I can actually get what I want. So by hook or by crook, by fair means or foul, by one mean or another, I am absolutely determined to do this. I'm going to do it by any method possible. I was going to get that job by hook or by crook. I was going to do everything in my power to get it. The government intends by hook or by crook to stop this contract going through by any means at their disposal, in using anything possible. So I'm going to do this by hook or by crook. I'm determined to do it, even if I have to use a huge amount of effort or I have to use dishonest means. I intend to get my way by hook or by crook. Somehow, it doesn't matter how, but I'm going to do it in whatever way is necessary, just or unjust, legal or illegal, in order to get it. So I'm going to get a ticket to this concert by hook or by crook. You've got to get this finished by hook or by crook, or you're going to lose your job. The government tried to ram through the bill by hook and by crook, but they weren't terribly successful. So I intend to get my way by hook or by crook, whatever happens, one way or another, by any means whatsoever, by fair means or foul, come hell or high water, come rain or shine, I'm going to do this by any and all means. Okay, so I intend to get my way by hook or by crook. I'm going to get her to marry me by hook or by crook. The police are going to catch these criminals by hook or by crook. By hook or by crook, make sure that there are at least 2 members of staff present in this room at all times. Yeah? I'm going to pass this exam by hook or by crook. She says she's going to win the competition by hook or by crook. She's going to do anything possible. Yeah, I'm gonna get this finished this week by hook or by crook. I'm gonna reach my goal by hook or by crook. Okay, so in any way possible, any way necessary, I've got to get hold of one of these by hook or by crook. Don't worry, I'll have the money ready for you by this evening. I'll do it by hook or by crook. It will be there, yeah? I was going to get that job by hook or by crook, any way possible, any means necessary. Okay, so origin, by hook or by crook. The origin's quite interesting as well. Let's see, a hook is a bill hook. And normally a bill hook is a long pole with a curved knife on the end. And it's used for cutting or pruning trees or things like that. And a crook is a long pole with a curved end that a shepherd might use, or that a bishop holds in his hand. It's not a stick with a curved bit on the end, and the shepherd uses a crook to catch sheep. Now there was apparently there was a law in the Middle Ages that people could take firewood to burn from common land, from land that belonged to the king or to the common people, and they were allowed to take branches that they could reach with a bill hook or with a shepherd's hook. And that's why by hook or by crook, the hook refers to a bill hook and the crook refers to a shepherd's hook. It's a hook used to catch sheep, or to hook sheep. So by hook or by crook. I'm going to learn English by hook or by crook. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. By hook or by crook.